It's day 2, guys. Well, really my first day, because yesterday I came in the night, and it's now the first morning, and I'm getting a fruit tour. My sister is giving me a fruit tour to show me all of the different fruit trees that she have in her yard. This is an apartment complex. I'm pretty impressed.
One mom the candy.
She went for a bag color. First morning in Jamaica, and this is what greets me: a whole loaded tree of mangoes, but they're not ripe. Why? They're not fit. Even though them look so red or yellow, they're not ripe at all.
They're not ready yet.
I'm sorry someone come so early, because I love to come when they're ripe. Alright, but let's see what else the yard has to offer, because it's very, very fruitful. That's my mom-in-law over there. Man is like Spite. Everything young when me come. Every last thing. Look on the nice June plum there, man. Boy, oh boy. My sister-in-law house. And this is Kingston. But her yard is so fruitful. No thanks. That's Debbie right there. Alright guys, can you peep these two? One finger there. These two guava up there.
So one here.
Guava tree, they're ripe.
So one I pick.
Yeah, more anti space. First time seeing mulberry. Never seen it before. I heard about the mulberry. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey said that he knew them. Pop goes the weasel. Wow, mulberry. So you eat it like what? Strawberry? It looks like. Why? Don't make her laugh. It won't look like strawberry to me, the outside.
No, it's mulberry.
You see? It look like a miniature strawberry to me.
Seriously. That green.
Oh, some purple?
Yeah, this green. This not ready yet. This is sour, tangy. This kind of thing, but this one.
Oh, so when they're ripened, they're of a black color like this. Focus yourself.
Purple.
Purple.
Very sweet.
Yeah, that's the color of them when they're ripe. Wow. So the red one is not ripe, the black one or the purple one is ripe.
So you have to eat that one then.
Eat it? Yeah. Dang. You see a mango look ripe. See? Baby, I try to eat it, but she's short.
Don't be here. Stop pushing my back now.
Oh, sorry.
Let me take the bottom one because it's really soft.
Yay! We got a mango. This is my favorite mango, guys. This is Julie mango. No East Indian sort of thing. Julie mango. Yes, we score. Big. Alright guys. We're getting very biblical now with the fig tree. This is a fig tree. I don't remember if I've ever seen a fig tree before, but oh wow, this is a ripe fig. Oh man, I can't believe that Kingston me there going so with all of them fruits here.
So this can just eat like
yeah.
But
Wow.
these are not gonna be so sweet because normally you're so.
Wow, this is good. This is what the fig look like. It kind of look like guava.
Yeah, it's plain. You have to hold it closer.
Very sweet. Fig tree.
That's why I kind of want to with taste like.
It, I don't think it has a unique taste. It does have a unique taste, but it does seem familiar to me.
Tastes like fig. Tastes like fig.
You ever gold? Let's try gold with this tree with dribbling all over. Okay, they want come now, forget where. Jumbling, man. Awesomeness.
Yeah, man.
Jumbling, also known as star fruit, guys. Wow. Yes, this is the life. This is what you wake up to in Jamaica. Jimbalene, fig, and mulberry and all those nice things. And my mango. Fever. Oh, I love this. Fever grass. This is what we have. Mine at home is dried up like brown. I'm still make tea with it. It's my favorite tea, lemongrass tea.
For pineapple.
Okay.
I don't know
Pineapple.
we have pineapple. Sweet up the pineapple.
That's a guinea tree, guys. Guinea. Kind of remind me of lychee. If you have ever had lychee, then guinea is similar to that. Really? And then this right beside it is a soursop tree. Can't find it now. Soursop is on the tree, but I can't see it on camera. Yeah. And then this now is a ackee tree. Where? Oh, yes. Yeah. Some ackees there, guys. I can't see it, but yeah, it has ackees on there. So ackee, the national dish of Jamaica, yes. Comes in a pod. You have to actually cook it. You remove the seed and you remove the pits. And you're good to go. Please don't eat it if it's not open or it will poison you.
Yeah. One free pot, I'm gonna order 5. Potato pot. Oh, this is check your this. Look at this one. Here, that not going with nothing now. Like I don't rain.
It's why I like
I want to you know.
The sweet potato tree or vine. Sweet potato vine. And you have a struggling pear tree right here. Not going with nothing. Look like it out for die. Oh wow, my favorite, guys. Sweet sop tree. Sweet sop is my ultimately favorite fruit of all times.
Right on the rotten.
Nobody not really mess with it?
No, they're been dead.
Wow.
They've been so you wouldn't see all the young ones.
Oh, so one ripe one here, Debbie? Well, I don't know if it's ripe, but it's yellow.
Yeah, that fit. So I ripe one there.
Where?
Up there, so.
Anyway, breaking chance.
It's a sweet potato.
Fine, guys. The pioneer is looking like it's gonna go with some big things. I see a cherry under there. And there's a yam tree right there. Trust me, the Kingston apartment complex here is very, 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 very fruitful. Trust me. Blacky mango loaded with a lot of blacky mango, but I don't know how we're gonna get them because they're so hard. So warp one there, is it there? It's small. Oh, and them two here ripe too. We're just about at the end of the fruit tour, guys. Coming from Kingston in the Patrick Manners apartment. Yes, I'm blessed. I'm highly blessed. Remember me to that. Oh, lime. I wonder if it's key lime. Oh, I just didn't say key lime, this, you know. Lime tree. Soursop tree. Ooh, guys. The big dog. Marijuana. Oh, you say so? Roll up your split. I mean, no. Aki tree.
See the bunch, all bunch of them.
This?
Here.
Some open ones. Alright, so these are closed.
Drop hope.